Video, I'm going to show you how to add product weight in Shopify. This might sound like a small detail, but it's actually crucial for smooth shipping calculations, accurate inventory management, and keeping your customers happy. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel. If you'd like to save time, you can use the Continue with Google option to sign in quickly and securely. Just make sure you select the Google account that's linked to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, head over to the product section from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find and manage all the items in your catalog. Now, click on the product you want to update. This will open up its details page where you can edit information like title, description, pricing, and of course, shipping details. Scroll down to the shipping section. Here you'll see an option to add the product's weight. Enter the correct weight using the appropriate unit of measurement. Accuracy here is important because Shopify uses this information to calculate shipping costs at checkout. Once you've entered the product weight, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner. Without saving, your changes won't apply to your live store. And that's it. You've successfully added product weight to your Shopify store. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in ensuring your shipping rates are correct and your store runs smoothly. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials for more tips on optimizing your store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.